Clevertech is the company leader for end-of-line solution for the care industry. This is worldwide recognized. Since we are the leader, we have been selected to be part of one of the biggest investments in the history of the care market. For one of the most important multinational companies in the area, Clevertech has been the perfect partner to provide a complete, full integrated end-of-line solution. To understand what does it mean a full integrated end-of-line solution in the Clevertech world, I would like to mention which are the 4 different pillars of our organization. The first pillar is the TPM. It means that all of our system, all of our machines are designed in accordance with TPM requirements. The second pillar is the full integration. Every Clevertech system is fully integrated. It means that in every Clevertech system, no matter which kind of machine you're going to buy from Clevertech, every machine, every panel view, every electrical cabinet will be exactly identical, in accordance with the customer specification. On top of that, Clevertech will take responsibility of the complete integration of the system at the customer side. One of the other pillars of our organization is the fact that the complete system that every care company buys from Clevertech is fully assembled in our facility here. This is a great added value. You can imagine if you are a multinational company and if you want to be very fast on the market and if you want to have a vertical startup, there's no better way to attack and to obtain this target than to assemble completely what you're going to install in your plant at Clevertech facility and to fully test it there. Our organization from the beginning is set up to have this kind of capability. And this is why we have been chosen by many of our customers to be their partner. The last pillar for our organization is the fact that we have a global presence. Clevertech is a global partner. Being a global partner, we can source and we can supply multinational companies all over the world. And that's why many multinational companies, they choose for Clevertech to standardize their end-of-line solution.